अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट, आपकी दोस्त एंजलाई। आज हम बात करेंगे पीवीपी पे। ओके एवरीवन, थैंक यू। ओके एवरीवन, पीवीपी फन पीवीपी ट्रेडिंग competitive when up to 2.10160 VPV per user. Okay, thank you so much joining my live stream, everyone. Thank you. ओके एवरीवन, हम पहले एक रेड पैकेट लगा लेते हैं, उसके बाद आगे चलते हैं एवरीवन। Okay, thank you so much joining my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Okay, okay. And Get is currently holding the VIP fund VIP trading complete. Join right now and share the 30 points of PVP reward prize pool. Okay, thank you so much joining my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Okay, join now. Okay, PVP trading competitions went up to 2.160 PVP. Okay, sign now, join now. Okay, PVP per user. Okay, thank you so much joining my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Okay, event time in 20 days 774650. Okay, 2025 12 13 13.0.0. 2026 11 13.30.0.0. Okay, welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream, everyone. Okay, Get is currently holding the PVP Fun PVP trading competition. Join right now and share the 30 points of PVP reward prize pool. Okay, thank you. Finally, remind the following event buttons user stream and will not changes after complete the task. Activity 1 exclusive be filed from newcomers claiming an extra 20 PVP reward each. Okay. During the event now user we register and complete the trading tasks and share a prize pool of 6.0 PVP on a first come first service basis. Okay. Task 1. Okay. Register now. Tax 1. Complete your first spot trading uh, at last $2,000. Of your first future trading of at last $5,000 to receive a 10 VIP 10 PVP. Okay, tax 2. Reach cumulative spot trading volume of 1.00 dollars of our cumulative future trading volume of $3.00. Receive an etiquette 10 PVP. Okay, activity 2. Rest to the VPVP trading report up to 1.8890 PVP reward each. During the event user, we have no less than 500 dollars PVP spot trading volume can share the 2.21.0 PVP reward based on their PVP spot trading volume ranking. Okay, thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Ranking 1 reward 1.890 PVP minimum PVP trading volume person. Okay, 2.70.00 to 1.575 PVP, 2.250.0 C 77 PVP, 1.110.0. Okay, 450 Eclipse PowerPoint 0 PVP. Okay, welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. 133.0 other user share 12.558 PVP best on spot. Okay, and welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Spot trading volume pre-purchase $5,000. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you so much for joining my live stream. Activity 3. Invited friends enjoy up to 250 PVP referral bonus each. Okay, during the event, invited our friend to register and complete spot trading volume of $2,000 or future trading volume of $5,000 to earn up to PVP reward. The total prize pool is 3.0 PVP and each invited can earn up to 250 PVP in the reward. Okay, thank you everyone. Okay, welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Okay. During the event measured our friends resistant and complete spot trading volume of $2,000 a future trading volume of $5,000 to earn a 2 PVP reward. The total prize pool is 3.0 PVP and each invited can earn up to 250 PVP in reward. The more friendly you invited, the more reward we can earn. Rewards and distributed on first come first service basis. Okay, welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Everyone, thank you. Total Raffles won 5 reward to PvP person 620 C PvP person 25 PvP person. Okay, Get English community. Join the Get English community to discreet trading event stay each and when up to $1 event week. Join now. Okay. So everyone, thank you. Note one, all participants need to click the join now button on complete verification before the event and to be eligible for reward. Okay, so welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. To trading volume back by volume plus sale volume. Okay, welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Okay, let's see the total reward from the. Okay, thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. The user of discrete accounts and any other cheating behavior. Okay, check such as inflated trading volume, fake resistant of tech, fake accounts, and self trading other metals, etc. as ticket parity. Probably multiple accounts with the CUM interview verification information will be treated as the CUM accounts sub accounts cannot participate in this activity. 5. Market marks in cross-betting and insulated accounts under 5 accounts are not eligible to participate in this event. Okay, welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. 6. Where and display receive between the translation version and the English version. English version, the English version shall prevail. Okay, 7. Get receiver a right to the file expression interpretations. It in this event is not affiliated with Apple ANC. 9. User in the content and other resistant location cannot increase the service encourage the participate in this event or competition. See the user agreement from future details. On resistant location, we do not indicate translated or cannot market to word translative insert resistant location. Okay, welcome to everyone. Thank you. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Combined periods December 13.2025 8.00 p.m. June 13.2016 8.00 p.m. UTC. Okay, welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Activity 1 exclusive referred from newcomers, claimer, and X3 extra 20 PVP reward each. Okay, during the event, now user we registered and complete the trading. Okay, thank you, Get Live. So, for gift my live stream. Okay, thank you. Okay, everyone, okay, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. Okay, okay, everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. तो मुझे बिल्कुल भी समझ नहीं आ रही, बिल्कुल भी समझ नहीं आ रही, तो मैं आपको क्या बताऊँ। Okay, welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Thank you. During the event, now user we registered and complete the trading tasks and each a prize pool of 6 point. Okay, thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Tax in can share a prize pool of 6.0 PVP on a first come first service basis. Okay, thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Task 1 complete your first spot. Okay, first spot trading of our last $2 years per year. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, CryptoBuzz. So my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Okay, CryptoBuzz with Alex brother कहाँ गए आप? Okay, thank you. $2 your first feature trading at last $5 to receive to PVP tax to each community for trading volume of $1.0 community. Okay. Thank you. Trading volume of $3.0 to receiver and aggregate to 10 PVP. Okay, welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Everyone, thank you. Okay, everyone, thank you so much joining my live stream. Everyone. Okay, now user resistant. Okay, welcome get user. Okay, thank you so much joining my live stream. Everyone, thank you. Future operational guide. Activity 2 receiver to the PVP trading report up to up to 1.890 PVP reward each. During the event user we have now less than $500 PVP spot trading volume can share the to 1.0 PVP reward based on their PVP spot trading volume ranking. Okay, ranking reward minimum PVP trading volume person 1. A 1.890 PVP, okay, 2.70.60 PVP to 1.5755 PVP, 2.250.0 see 77 PVP, 1.110.0 Okay, welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Everyone, thank you. Okay, thank you so much joining my live stream, everyone. 450 Karate share 4.20 PVP 133.33 dollars. Other users share 2.558 PVP basic transport trading volume protections $500. Okay, thank you so much joining my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Trade now PVP USD. Okay, thank you so much joining my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Activity 3 invite your friend, enjoy up to 250 PVP referral bonus each. Okay, okay, thank you so much, everyone. During the event, invited our friends to register and complete sport trading volume $2.0. Okay, trading Volume of $50 to PVP reward to the total prize pool is 3.00 PVP, and each invited can earn up to 250 PVP in reward. The more friends you invited, the mm, the more reward you can earn. Reward are distributed on a first come first service basis. Okay. And total Raffler 1 5 reward to PVP person 620 3 PVP person 25 PVP percent. Okay. Not all participants need to click the join now button on complete verification before the event and to be eligible from reward to trading volume by volume plus sale volume. The total trading from this event is a 30.00 PVP reward will be distributed with 14 working days after the combine ends. Okay, thank you. The total reward from this event is a 30.00 PVP reward will be distributed with 14 working days after the combine end. And the user from the display accounts and others. Any other trading behavior such as identified and trading volume, resistant or fake accounts, self-trading orders, meters, etc. are instigated by probability multiplier accounts with a come entry verification information will be treated such as the come accounts sub accounts cannot participate in this activity. Market marks in cross-betting and intermediary accounts and refi again accounts are not eligible to participate in this event. 6. Where any display receiver between the translation version and the English version. English version, the English shall prevail. Get receiver are right to the filing expressions. In this event is not affiliated with Apple ANC. Okay. 9 users in the United Kingdom are the registered location and cannot in case the service indicative the participate in this event or combine the user engagement from future details on the location we do not indicate to selection or cannot market toward a customer in such a reference location. Okay, get team. December 13th, 2025. Gateway to crypto trade over 2 pointers is a cryptocurrencies FKK and easily and get. Okay. Tech activity now. Sign up and claim up to 10.0 dollars in welcome reward. Invited friend and earn a 14% commission. Stay candid. Contact visit Get official website. Download the Get tab. Follow your ex-tutor to get more bonus. Join our Telegram community to discuss trading topics. Okay, equilibrium with the global community from this insight. And last insight, transparency and security check 100% approval service. Okay, Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Okay, thank you. Okay, welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Okay, Candy Drop, complete task to claim airdrop, $18 point five nine millions, community airdrop, $1 point five millions, total airdrop, 6.17 millions, total participate. Okay, so welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Okay, so everyone, Launchpad, Launchpool, Kickstick, and Particle new token, $55, 0.37 million. Community airdrop, $187, 0.17K. Estimated total reward, $49, 0.59 millions. One receiver, 7 millions participate. Okay, PVP. Okay, PVP fund is an invited in translation designed from Proclapis version play BIP PVP product at power empowers greater display and community to easy split in display and combine program and chain application experience. Okay, welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Official website, Twitter, web, white paper, FAQ. सो एवरीवन आप यहाँ पे पार्टिसिपेट भी कर सकते हैं इसे. ओके, थैंक यू. ओके, ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट. तो एवरीवन नेटवर्क इशू है बहुत ज़्यादा. ओके, थैंक यू. वेलकम टू एवरीवन. थैंक यू सो मच joining my live stream, everyone. Okay, white people, welcome to PVP fun. Crypto PVP has never been issued, launched, offered, and paid. Processed crypto PVP shine powerful claims to best PVP rank in the leaderboards and earn process incoming and by stake PVP fun. Okay, welcome to everyone. Crypto PVP has never is asset launched join claim rank up to peer. Okay. ओके, वेलकम टू एवरीवन. थैंक यू सो मच joining my live stream. नेटवर्क का इशू है तो इसलिए कुछ भी ओपन नहीं हो रहा. ओके एवरीवन, थैंक यू सो मच joining my live stream, everyone. ओके, चलिए हम अब बैक चलते हैं। ऑफ में तो कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा आज। Okay, welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Okay, invalid inform interfacial interfacial educators. Okay, for web available protect. PVP fun is any invited and translated and program problems website protect. Empowering Web3 created with embraced and tall two-plate display and asset PVP as in one's open ecosystem. It privacy as assemblers but from ideal to value, giving user till play and developer and community an easy way to earn trained investor into stable Web3 asset growth. Okay, welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Okay, okay, welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Okay, welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Okay, thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट आपकी दोस्त आयते एंजल लाई. Okay, investment in their entry of pin points asset their community interactive application. Okay, device gameplay easy. Okay, thank you so much joining my live stream, everyone. Cost and system from social challenge to invited maintenance, ladybird and reward translation completive. What sport it? First keep it English. Okay, okay. Welcome to everyone. Thank you. Okay, okay. Thank you. FAQ. Get large full FAQ. Customer one. What is get launch pool? Get launch pool. Okay, welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Okay, okay, everyone. Thank you. And Get Launchpool. Launchpool is any navigate stake and airdrop platform where user can stake. Okay, user can stake GTPTC, ETH, USDT, GUSD, or other tokens to earn only airdrop or hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high API. It is unlimited platform or figured or capital market operationals. Okay, welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Okay, everyone. Thank you. Question number two: how can a participant in Get Launch Pool? First, log into your Get accounts and navigate to the Launchpad Get Launchpad page. Then choose the project you want to participate in. This stake in and stake your asset. Okay, question number three: which coin has stake in Get Launchpad? Launchpool. The tokens eligible to participate will be encountered on the mining page of each project. Please visit the cross-parting page of Get Launchpool to view more details. Okay, thank you. Okay, question number four: how many tokens will be rewarded? Holistic reward invalidate. Okay, invalidate last one horse value stake amount, total post stake amount, only reward. Okay, okay, thank you everyone. And the platform will take Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. The platform will take multiply Snapchat person stake amount is wholly take and take the average stake amount as the value stake amount. Question number 5. How are reward distributed? Welcome, Alash. And next, welcome. Okay, welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Okay, the platform will take multiply Snapchat or personal stake amount, wholly and tokens reward distributed. आरएस नेक्स्ट मैं सबको ही कह रही हूँ, आप किसकी बात कर रही हैं? Okay, only earning will be distributed to your spot accounts. Question number 6. When will the stake asset be returned? When will the stake asset be returned? After the user return in advance or the stake is complete, the stake asset will be transferred to Simple Earn by different is this option in unlocking the stake asset will be returned into spot asset. If the amount of return asset too simple, okay. If the simple earn does not support the claiming of the return tokens, the asset will also be automatically transferred to spot asset. Question number 7. Can I return by stake asset at any time? The platform will take multiply Snapchat a personal stake amount each wholly and then calculate the value stake amount. How every earning repetition might result in the loss of increased reward. Please maintain stable stake amount to increase mining reward. Question number 8. Can I add education stake asset? You can increase your stake asset at in time. The more token you stake, the greater your particular mining reward. Every once the reward cap is reached, you will know loyal receiver stake reward. Okay, welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Okay, thank you. Okay, welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Question number 9. Can a each stake pool need to be stake certified? If you only stake asset in pool A, you will not be able to obtain reward from pool B. You can stake Pool A and Pool B simplify to operating the cross-parting mining reward from new tokens. Okay, thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Question number 10. What is the maximum money reward I can receive? The holy reward, okay. The holy reward at cap per user from each per chat is different. Okay, once the cap is reached, no future stake reward will be granted. Please refer to the relevant incrementary from the mining page from the reward at cap limited from each project. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Okay, thank you. Okay, question number 11. Well, stake asset in the get large pool best my VIP level. Okay, no asset stake in get large pool will be included in the asset holding calculator for moderate drop, large bet, and VIP preview. Okay, question number 12. What hell happened to be funds if the project in ending earning? In case of ending, your stake personal will be automatically returned as soon as the project in and your loss interactive will be distributed on the wholly after the entry time. The interactive distributed before the ending will not be efficient. Okay. Lashpo rules update one get has update the participate rules and stake cap for more project. The stake cap will have be demand passed on the user total trading volume over the past 16 days, the time of stake. 16 days total trading volume, 16 days spot trading volume plus 16 days future trading volume minus 40% commission. Okay, to buy increase a higher trading volume user and unlock a higher stake cap. See, don't be equilibrium from the only airdrop reward to rewards the user 16 days total trading volume must meet the minimum requirement at the time of airdrop distributed. Okay, if the trading volume requirement is not met, user can user can stake return mistake asset at any time. Any asset not manual return will be automatically returned to the spot under fire account after the event. 5. Please refer to each large board project community from simplified stake cap and minimum trading volume requirement about annual percentage at APR. One when the reward coins in the stake coins APR total reward leveraged in the last hour total stake minus 465 minus 424 minus 100%. Two when the reward coins is not the stake coins APR total reward leveraged in the last hour as closing price of the reward coins of the last hour. Last one total stake as closing price of the stake coins of the last horse plus 4365 minus 24 minus 100%. Not the APR is any time and form reflects only the actual inquiry return from your financial receiver shall prevail. APR data is updated only. About transferring the return message to simple and stream. Question number one: how to get a drop bonus when you stake BTC, GT, ETH, and USDT in last poll, you will get a bonus which is stay subject to the unlimited reward cap per horse by charging the transfer the return message to simple and stream. Please note that subscription to simple and stream or stream one outside launch pool will not qualify for bonus. Question number two: when did I receive a bonus after subscribing to simple and stream when stake? If you will receive the reward cap per host, no more bonus will be distributed. Question number three: when I return by earning after subscribing to simple earn 7 days free stream. If you transfer your return message stick asset to simple 7 days free stream, then will be unlocked. Lock it from 7 days and cannot be returned earning. Please plan your asset recording. Okay, welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. About total stake, the total stake refers to the cumulative amount stake in the. आपको okay, the total stake refers to the cumulative amount stake in the pool. The matrix is cumulative. Total that including the stake asset user have returned. Explain if you are using stake 10.0. Okay. Explain if you are using stake 10.0 USD and return 2.0 USD, the total stake in the pool RAMs. Okay, welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Okay, welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Okay, stake in the pool RAMs 10.0 USD. The calculated method is considered with understand. Okay, welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Okay. ओके क्रिप्टो 775 आपके ऑब्वियस में की लगी हुई है तो प्लीज़ आप लैपटॉप का जो वन है ना उसे दबाएं दबा के और गेट में जाएं जाके आप अपनी लाइव स्टार्ट करें इसमें कोई इशू नहीं है अल्फा पॉइंट्स ट्रेड ऑन चाइन एसेट एंड एंजॉय एयर ड्रॉप रिवॉर्ड फ्यूचर पॉइंट्स enjoy multiple airdrop reward and receive a kind amplified Order airdrop or GT and get maximum airdrop for free. $320 point 23 million community airdrop $18 point 84K total airdrop 12 million participate क्रिप्टो ट्रेड 775। आप बात को समझो, ऐसे मैं नहीं कर सकती। अब जब तक लाइव स्टार्ट नहीं करेंगे मुझे नहीं समझ आएगा। Launchpad be adding to the next pack tokens for chat $2.46 millions amount 104.64K participate। ये देख सकते हैं आप यहाँ पे। ओके, थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक यू सो मच जॉइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम एवरीवन। ये हमारी की है जो हमने यहाँ पे लगाई हुई है, उसे अप्लाई किया, ओके किया, ओके। और यहाँ पे हमारी ये लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग है, इसे दबाएं। और ये हमारा गेट है तो इसमें जाए, ये अर्न पे यहाँ पे हम सारे पढ़ सकते हैं जो हमारा दिल चाहे। ओके, चलिए दोस्तों। ओके वेट वेट, ओके एवरीवन, थैंक यू। Okay everyone, thank you so much joining my live stream everyone.